Before this video ends, something inside you will shift. A thought, a belief, a silent story that has been shaping your reality will begin to rewrite itself. Because the truth is simple, your words create your world, and when you speak the right affirmations, your entire life begins to move in a new direction. Tonight or today, whenever you're listening, you're about to plant new thoughts, new pathways, new possibilities in your subconscious mind. Let's begin. Welcome to the Shinn Way, a place where ancient wisdom meets modern transformation, where the teachings of Florence Scovel Shinn come alive, and where your journey to a stronger, calmer, richer inner life begins. These affirmations experience is designed specifically for you, the thinkers, the healers, the dreamers, the ones who know they were meant for more. Every affirmation you hear today will shift your subconscious, and the subconscious, Florence says, is the department of mind that works day and night to create your reality. So sit back, breathe, and allow these words to enter the quiet spaces within you. Affirmations for inner peace and emotional reset. Let's start with your inner world, because every outer change begins within. Repeat silently or out loud if you can. 1. I release every burden that is not mine to carry. Let the tension fall away. 2. Peace is my natural state. Feel your body soften. 3. I choose calm over chaos. Your nervous system resets with this truth. 4. I allow life to unfold gently for me. 5. I am safe. I am guided. I am protected. Now breathe slowly. Imagine a warm light surrounding you, a light that cleanses old emotions, old patterns, old fears that no longer belong in your life. Florence said, "Nothing stands between man and his highest good but fear and doubt." And today, we release both. Affirmations for self-worth and personal power. Your life changes when you change what you believe about yourself. So let these affirmations sink deep. 1. I am worthy of every good thing. Say it again, with conviction. 2. I deserve love, respect, abundance, and joy. 3. My presence is valuable. 4. Good things flow to me because I expect them. 5. I can have what I desire, without guilt, without fear, without doubt. Florence wrote, "Man receives only that which he sees himself receiving." So today, see yourself receiving more. More love, more peace, more opportunities, more blessings, more respect, more joy. You're not asking for too much. You're simply stepping into your rightful place. 6. I am enough. I have always been enough. Let that one echo inside you. 7. The universe responds to my confidence. 8. I am stepping into the strongest version of myself. Beautiful. Relationships and love. Healthy, loving relationships begin with the energy you carry inside you. When you value yourself, the world mirrors that value back to you. These affirmations will help you attract love, repair relationships, and deepen emotional connections. Affirmations. I am worthy of deep, meaningful love. I attract relationships that uplift and support me. Love flows to me easily and consistently. I communicate with clarity, kindness, and calm. I release past hurts and allow harmony to enter. My relationships are full of respect and appreciation. Confidence and self-worth. Confidence isn't loud, it's steady. It grows quietly as you accept yourself more deeply. These affirmations rebuild your belief in the person you are becoming. Affirmations. I trust myself and my decisions. I am becoming stronger and more confident each day. My presence has power. I am capable of achieving great things. I believe in my inner wisdom. Every challenge teaches me something valuable. Happiness and emotional healing. Happiness begins inside your thoughts. When you shift your emotional vibration, your entire life transforms. Let these affirmations lighten your energy. Affirmations. Joy is my natural state. I choose peace over worry. I release what I cannot control. I am healing emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. I allow happiness into my life now. My heart is becoming lighter and stronger every day. Daily empowerment and discipline. Success is not built in a single moment. It's built through small, consistent actions. These affirmations empower your discipline, and help you stay aligned with your goals. Affirmations. I show up for myself every day. Discipline is my superpower. I finish what I start. I stay focused on what truly matters. I create momentum with every action I take. I am committed to my growth. Nighttime affirmations for reprogramming. As you relax into sleep, your subconscious becomes more open, more receptive, more powerful. These final affirmations plant new beliefs into the deepest layers of your mind. Affirmations. I am becoming the best version of myself. Good things are always moving toward me. I am safe. I am supported. I am guided. My future is bright and full of blessings. Everything is working in my favor. I welcome abundance, peace, and joy into my life. If this video lifted your energy, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment, I am ready, to lock your affirmations into your subconscious. Your transformation begins now.